Swadesh talks about SRK, who had a lucrative job. He was working at NASA as a scientist, and he was doing quite well. He was there for almost 6 to 7 years, but he had an affinity for Indian soil. And when he came back to India, he had an aunt. She was not a mother, but he actually considered her more than mother. She was very pleasant and very good with him as well. Kaveri Amma, he used to call. And there was also a gal who used to stay with her, and he fell for this gal. She was like a villager, but she was educated and she was quite well read. And she used to teach in a school, mostly those who couldn't afford heavy fees and all. When he came down to India, he was moved by the situation there. There was no electricity, food shortage, etc., etc. Living in a village is very different than living in US or the developed countries. But very few of us actually are moved, and he actually got very sentimental. Although he left them, he requested Kaveri Amma to accompany him. But she said that she was not interested because she couldn't adjust with the high speed, high paced life. And even the gal was not interested in accompanying him. So he was mostly heartbroken. The best part of the movie was his van. It was so cozy and so fashion. It was just like a living room with all attached bathroom, cupboard, and he used to move in that, sleep, do his work. So when he came to US, the head, he was a foreigner, he said that now I don't think you will go again. But he was so sentimental that he was remembering all the things. And actually that gal also had given him a box in which all different spices of Indian continent were there, like turmeric, then coriander, then whatever you can say you can find in the kitchen, and mustard, etc., etc. And he could feel all that, and he came back to India and never went back. Bottom line, I think people are fool after being in such a developed country. If you still come to India, then I don't know. This is my opinion. Everyone has their different perspectives of life. 5 stars because the songs are really good. But it's always better if we can actually take our near and dear ones there and live a life which we want to live in India, because we can do everything abroad. 5 stars.